Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay, so now we are at phonics class. Very good. And we are going to work with the reading log I see. Okay, so let's begin reading the sentence. Okay, the first sentence on page number 1. It says, I see the worm. Very good. Page number 2. Let me rotate. Very good. Number 2 says, I see the pumpkin. Again, I see the pumpkin. Very good. Page number 3. I see the corn. Again, I see the corn. Very good. Page number 4. Here we are. Remember that you have to color all the pictures, okay? Page number 4. We see the garden. Again, we see the garden, okay? The reading long name is I see. Very good, everybody. Well, that's it for today. Bye.